Hey, what's up, people? How you doing? It's your boy Jeremy Blackman. Thank y'all for coming back to the page and to watch another video. You feel what I'm saying? And to get this valuable content. I hope that y'all really take what I'm saying and put it to action. Stop being skeptical about everything. People, 2018 getting ready to come right around the corner, and you all can keep second guessing and stuff you all searching for, because that's why y'all seeing my video, because y'all putting these search keywords inside the YouTube keyword search box, and y'all coming across material that y'all are looking for. So use this material, people. Do what this stuff say. Get into some of this stuff. Take a chance, man. That's the only way you gonna make it. If I would have never took a chance or always been skeptical, I'd still be sleeping on that dirty ground somewhere, or be outside cold during the winter time somewhere. Okay, so do that for me and pay attention to the video. Let's go.
I've been putting videos up lately about, how to make money with PayPal. I put a video showing y'all about how I go search out information on Google, right? And I do the research. I get the information, I get the answer, then I put the information right back in front of people, and I make a profit from that through my PayPal account. I was telling y'all about that. I'm just going to show y'all the proof, and I'm going to show y'all the proof and the opportunity that I also was telling you all about that y'all can get into, okay? So let's go through this. I got my PayPal account, split in half, because, when somebody pay you on PayPal, it leave their name, their contact information, all that, and that's not for you all to see, all right? Because that's not ethical for me to show that online to people, okay? Because that's their personal information. But I just want to go through this and show y'all the payments for the last couple of days, right? So let's go. Oh, first let me go here. Let me move this down to show y'all. Y'all see that? Y'all see it, all right? So let's scroll back up. Let's put me up here somewhere. All right. So let's scroll down. All right. So y'all see. This from the opportunity. This from the free website information. Opportunity. Free website information. Opportunity. Free website information. Let me keep going. Opportunity. Free website. Opportunity. Free website. Opportunity. Let's keep going. Y'all see the payments. Look. The free website. Opportunity. Free website. This came from free website. No, it came from opportunity. Free website, okay? Free website with the information. Like I told y'all, man, people are willing to go into their money. People are willing to go in their pockets and pay you whatever it is that you want to charge for your time of collecting that information, because people do not want to waste time by searching for the information on their own, right? So it is what it is, people. I'm just showing y'all the proof. Y'all can go watch the videos inside of the video description below, the links to the videos or exactly what I'm talking about, and also the links down there to get the system or to get involved in whatever it is that I'm talking about inside this video, okay? All them links down there. These are the videos, the latest video that I put up, okay? So look, free website, opportunity, free website. We're just gonna scroll down through this. Y'all can see it. Free website, opportunity. Let's keep going down through it. Y'all see it. Opportunity. Y'all see it. Free website. Everything like $12.95 and below, those are the free websites, okay? People come and buying the information. You see this. All right? You see this. Let's keep going. Y'all see all this stuff, right? Y'all see it. All this is strictly from the opportunity and from the free website. All right, information. Y'all see it. Bow. Just look at it now. Look at it. Bow. I'm just going down through it. You all see it, man. Y'all see it. Look at it. People buying the free information. People buying the information. They buying it up. All right. They buying it up. They're just 2 days worth of transaction. They buying it up. You see this? They buying it up. You all see this. Let's keep going. And something special that happened on that day. All right. I had, this was some free information about, looking up, I forgot the name. This subject was dealing like with, astrology and astrophysics and all this stuff. And I just was looking at the information up. I don't really know about it. And, look at this. Just look at it. Just free information and opportunity, free information and opportunity, free information, opportunity. Do y'all see this stuff? Opportunity, free information, opportunity, free information, opportunity, free information, opportunity. Do y'all see this, man? Look, free information, opportunity, free information. You all see this, man. You all see this. And we can keep going. Let's keep going. Okay, we're gonna keep going. So y'all won't think there's no screenshot. Let me go back up here again. You see that? All my button work. I just got a hash screen because I don't want to show these people personal information on the side. But y'all see this? Y'all see this? Take that down. Y'all see it's reloading on its own every time I scroll down, so this ain't no screenshot. So let's keep going. You all see, boom, opportunity, free website, opportunity, free website, opportunity, free. You all see it? Opportunity, opportunity, free. Look, we're just gonna keep scrolling down through it, right? Just keep scrolling down through it. Y'all can see for y'all own self. Keep scrolling down through it. We're just gonna keep scrolling down through it. Alright, boom. This is for the last couple of days, right? That's it. The last couple of days. Now I'm gonna go ahead and click on the withdrawals I made so far, right? So money withdrawn. Boom. See that? They're just so far, and I can withdraw anything else. Like, they just, I don't know. One day y'all believe me. I guess it is what it is, people. Like, it just is what it is, right?
This is how simple one of the sites looks for when you just go and do the research, and then you retarget that research, your answers and stuff, the information that you collected and gather back to the people that's searching for the answer. They come and find the information on a little simple site like this, a little free site. As you can see, all right, I got a lot of these sites put up. I invented this when nobody else doing this. You see how the site is, a simple site. It's from Wix, free site. They come here and they pay their money. Once they pay their money, you redirect it to the private one-page website. But y'all see inside the course if y'all want the link down inside the video description.